Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll to find the display. Now in the right section, scroll down again to find the screen timeout, and as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and I would say this is let's say a short time, and 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So if you'd like to change the screen timeout, because as you can see I've got 30 seconds currently set, so all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, this option is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.